Where else would I be?
What do you want? Damon won't be able to distract Klaus for long.
Come home.
How much clearer can I make it? I don't want to come home. Oops. Oh dear, what was that? I'm a little boozy, so you forgive me if I miss your heart the first few tries. No, that's not it. Almost. You want a partner in crime? Forget Stefan. I'm so much more fun. You won't be any fun after you're dead. Really?
Not in my bar. You take it outside.
You don't have to negotiate your brother's freedom. When I'm done with him, he won't want to go back. Klaus is obsessed with siring these hybrids. The second he knows you're alive, he'll figure out why it's not working.
Look, I know you're trying to protect me, but I can't let you do it. Come with me, Stefan, please.
And what do you expect if I do? Huh? It's never going to be the same, Elena.
I know that.
I don't think you do. I've left bodies scattered from Florida to Tennessee. Innocent people. Humans.
Lexi found you like this before. In the 20s, and she saved you.
And you know what I did after that? I spent 30 years trying to pull myself together. To a vampire, that's nothing. To you, that's half your life.
I can't give up on you, Stefan.
Yes, you can. It's done. That part of my life is done. I don't want to see you. I don't want to be with you. I just want you to go.